Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So today I have with me the Logic Toner by Triumph and Disaster. I don't use a toner every day, but I do have a lot of this at home right now, so I have been using it every now and then, and I do like it. I think it's a good toner. It's primarily, or one of the key ingredients is witch hazel. So witch hazel is an ingredient that many of you have probably heard of. It has great astringent antibacterial properties to it. So this toner is alcohol free, so it doesn't dry the skin out, so it's good for sensitive skin. And the idea behind the toner is to balance, complete the cleansing process, clear the pores out, keep them nice and tight, and just keep the skin nice and tight in general. A couple of the other key ingredients are alpine willow herb extract, which is helps to reduce pore size, and then it also contains Tasmanian pepper extract, which is a great sort of soothing, calming ingredient that helps to calm down sensitive or irritated skin. So yeah, it's just the way you would use this is you would take a cotton round. I don't like to use cotton balls because I find that they absorb too much product and it just ends up being a waste. So I like the cotton rounds. So you just take a cotton round, put a little bit on after washing your face, and you wipe the pad over your face, and it just sort of completes the process and prepares you to apply your serum and/or moisturizer. Smells great too. It's nice and fresh. It feels really good on the skin. So check it out, shopmask.com, Logic Toner by Triumph and Disaster. Come see it in the shop too if you're in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.